Are you looking for how to insert name and page number in header in Word document? So how you can do that? First, go to the insert and on the right side, you will see that header. You need to click on the edit header and now go to the insert and click on the page number and click on the top of the page number and select the plain number 3, and here you can see that page number is pasted. And again go to the insert and go to the header and footer and go to the document info and type author name and type name, for example Michael John, and give the 2 times space bar between page number and author name and double click inside the page, and here you can see that name and page number has been inserted in Word documents. So go to the view and click multiple pages, and here you can see that 1 2 3 and this 8 pages has name and page number. So this way you can easily insert name and page number in Word documents. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.